Good morning, all. Welcome back to Computer Science Classroom. Hope you all enjoyed the sessions during the last week. Let us start our first semester subject as per the syllabus. I will give you an outline about the topics we are going to cover under the topic Computer Fundamentals. The paper is divided into 5 units, generally called as modules. Module 1 is intended to cover the basics of number systems and computer codes. Then Module 2 will discuss how the Boolean algebra is utilized in the circuit designing, and we will learn the simplification methods in Boolean algebra for getting better circuit designs. Module 3 is used to discuss about the basic components of a computer, which are called hardware. It also discusses the major components such as CPU and memory and how these are organized. Module 4 is a continuation of Module 3 is for discussing about the components input and output and various devices used under each category. Module 5 will introduce how a computer program will look like and how we can do planning for writing a computer program. It includes the basics of algorithms and flowcharting. As per syllabus, these are the text and reference books, but it is not practical to have all books with you that cover each and every topic, so don't worry about the textbook. I will provide you the study materials along with the lecture sessions as and when required. For better understanding of the subject, I prefer to follow the sequence of modules as Module 3, then Module 4, Module 5, and finally we will discuss about Module 1 and 2. So let's start with Module 3. The computer is an electronic device made up of many components which are used for storing, processing, and producing useful information to the users. All the physical components of a computer is referred to as hardware. A computer architecture is concerned with the way hardware components are connected together to form a computer system. Let's learn the components of a computer. The basic components include CPU, memory, input and output units. These are also referred to as functional units or basic components of a computer. It is represented using a block diagram. Here we have CPU, and inside the CPU we have arithmetic and logic unit, abbreviated as ALU, and registers, and we have also control unit. And these components are connected through a communication channel called system bus. The basic functions of a computer include: it will accept the data and instructions as input from the users through input unit. Then it will store the data and instructions in memory or storage unit and retrieves or processes it as and when required. The processor will process the data as per the instructions and converts into useful information. Then this will be communicated to the users as output through the output unit. These are the fundamental or the basic functions of a computer. Now let's see what you mean by computer organization. It deals with how these functional units collectively work together to execute a computer program or instruction. It tells us how exactly all the units in the system are arranged and interconnected. It expresses the realization of the computer architecture. It deals with low-level design issues, while the computer architecture deals with high-level design issues. Computer organization involves physical or functional components of a computer. The sessions will be organized in such a way that Module 3, Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, etc. like that, so that you can organize your materials in a systematic manner. I will upload the sessions as per the timetable. Thank you for listening this session. If you have any queries regarding the sessions, you can text me or give an audio to our WhatsApp group. I will revert back to you as early as possible.